Hello everyone, welcome back to another episode of Wake&Tech. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to redeem Disney gift card online. Watch the video till the end and don't forget to subscribe to our channel if you've not yet. Press the notification bell so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. If you want to redeem your Disney gift card online, then the process is quite simple. Open up a web browser of your choice and go to the URL box at the top. Simply go ahead and type in shopdisney.com in the search bar and press enter on your keyboard. Once you end up in the official site, make sure to log into your Shop Disney account. And once you do that, in order to redeem your gift card, you can simply go ahead and enter your gift card details while checking out with a product online. Go ahead and add a product in your shopping bag, and once you do that, open up your shopping bag by clicking on My Bag at the top right. Here I've already added a product in my shopping bag, so once you are done with it, check if everything's alright and click the checkout button in order to get to the checkout page. Enter your shipping details, choose a delivery method, and click Continue to Payment. In the payment area, you can go ahead and select one of the payment methods, but since we are using our Disney gift card as a payment method, let's click on this Disney gift card option. Enter your account number available on your card and then type in your EIN on the next field. Once you enter the credentials, click on the apply button in order to purchase the product with the help of your gift card, and that is how you can easily redeem your Disney gift card online. I hope the tutorial was helpful to you. If it was, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. I'll be back soon with more videos like this. Thank you for watching.